Hey guys, we're going diving again. Still filling the order for this one party. The party is supposed to have at least 300 people, so me, Jairus, Kainoa, Nalu, we're all in charge of the poo-poos. So they wanted fried fish, smoked meat from brother Jairus, stuff like that. So on a mission until the end of this month. So join us while we dive. Got a new GoPro actually, so let me try them out. The other one I'm drowned. GoPro said you can dive with no case, no housing. So I did. I dove with it without a case multiple times, never had a problem. Then the last dive I went on, I dove without housing and smoked it, drowned it. Opened up the battery cover, had water coming out. I was like, what the fuck? So we had to buy a new one. Housing, I get actually 2 housings, so we should be good. Today we diving on housing, so I don't ruin the camera again.
Struggle up, one. Don't know them a struggling way. One no, well, no. Why them one feet cut me down? Every time we come around, no, why them try feet cut me down?
Right now gonna be Jairus' famous belly flop. This is our warm-up drop, and we have brother Jairus testing the lungs for the day. And then I take a drop, and this is what happens when you try to shoot fish on your first drop. I do end up landing one, but still, rookie mistake.
Dirty not the ground, small locks, me comfy till up. Turn it upside down, everybody them a sinner. Well, no competition, it's the truth. A roughneck posse, brethren come, fi tell all of you. I come fi rock the mic like the posse them should. A rough and tough sufferation understood. Why them want fi cut me down?
Right there, as I turn my head to the left, you can see I'm still loaded with koles, but don't get me wrong, these guys was kind of finicky in the murky water.
Why them one feet cut me down? Every time we come around, why them try feet cut me down? Well, oh well, I never them a one kill we sound. I never them a one try feet test we.
Watch this shot, guys. Crack me up. Kole and one rock.
We come with liquor and plenty. Well, now, liquor more vibes, liquor more this, and liquor more that. That time of foundation, and that will lyric when me chat. What a reggae, at a blow up. The thermostat when them one deal pass see a copy of cap now. Why them one feet cut it down? Every time we come around, why them try feet cut it down? I never them a one kill we sound. Why them one feet cut it down? Every time we come around, why them try feet cut we down? Well, oh well. Whenever them a one kill we sound. A them no killer roughneck them a.
This clip was mean, bro. Shoot one, take them off the tree prong, reload, hook another one drop.
Only one a destination for the squealer. Well, a squealer go cry out, squealer a go bow down. To this a real man thing. Squealer time go run now. Make them shut them party mouth. Time for them a feel a suffering. Why them want feet cut me down? Every time we come around, why them try feet cut me down? Never them at one kill we sound. Why them want feet cut we down? Every time we come around, why them try feet cut me down? Well, oh well. And never them at one kill we sound. Never kill we sound. Them I never kill we sound. Whoa.
See, you fuckers. Short dive for me and Jay, but 25-30 at least. Okay, so that was our short dive for me and Jairus. One, we never have time, too much time on our hand today. Two, I was running my backup mask, and for some reason it hurts the bridge of my nose really quick. I would say 20 minutes into the dive I was hurting, but pushed through, made it happen. Caught at least 25-30. I think we're gonna be diving our next trip. I think fishing is on hold for a little while. But thank you for watching.